In every child's growth and development, there is a milestone that is worth waiting and worth celebrating. And one of this is choosing the right career. A career that will take them to their dream destination. In choosing a career, students must be guided so they can fully understand and comprehend the path that they are taking. That is why the career guidance and talk is held yearly to let students assess their skills, knowledge, and capabilities. Part of the career guidance is to allow them to wear the uniform of their desired profession, to let them experience how to look one and to feel one. Also, they have to make a portfolio, which is the collection of their output, journals, and other activities related to their career development. Here are the outputs that exhibits the talent and creative mindset of the greatest students of St. Pedro National High School. Presented here are the different tracks, strands, and courses.
The first is the academic track. Under this track are ABM, STEM, UMS, and GAS strands. In GAS, or the General Academic strand, it offers courses that are related to all the fields. You will be able to experience a variety of learning experiences to explore the different interesting fields which you can study in college. The General Academic strand is for all types of courses, while in STEM, or the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, is for those who want to pursue engineering, medical courses, AB Math, Information Technology, and the like. The ABM, or the Accountancy and Business Management, offers courses like Business Administration, Tourism Management, Hotel and Restaurant Management, Accountancy, Real Estate Management, Entrepreneurship, and all courses related to business and management. Education, political science, AB English or literature, mass communication, theater arts, and other related career paths are offered in UMS, or the Humanities and Social Sciences. The second is the technical vocational track. The strands under the TVL track are the following. Number 1, Home Economics strand. Number 2, Industrial Arts strand. Number 3, Agri-Fishery Arts strand. And number 4, Information and Communication Technology strand. Arts and Design track. If you want to unleash the artist in you in your future career path, then the Arts and Design track is suited for you. This program is designed for students who want to further enhance their creativity and effectiveness of their artistic expression. The students who are under this program are provided with knowledge of the different types of arts of various forms. The elements of dance, music, theater, media, photography, and visual arts will be introduced to you, and you will be taught how to apply the different concepts in the global settings. The next is the sports track. If you think you can excel in the field of sports and can have it as a source of your bread and butter in the future, then enhance your skills through enrolling in the sports track. This track is for those who want to become an athlete, coach, physical education teacher, game officials, gym instructors, sports trainer, or any other job related to officiating sports events. When you specialize in this course, you will be able to learn concepts on how to develop athletes for them to develop a positive attitude on competitiveness, team spirit, and skills development. You will be able to determine the different aspects concerning social, psychological, and cognitive development in sports leadership and management.
They say that it takes a lot of courage and thorough thinking to decide in which path to take. But most importantly, they must decide based on their skills and capabilities, not on what other people tell them to do so. Because the true battles happens outside the four corners of the classroom. So you better be equipped with the right